In this question, we have to implement queue using two stacks. So, see, this is a queue. One means insert the element into the queue, means 2 will be inserted. Now again insert 3. Now 2 means remove an element from the beginning of the queue. So if we remove 2 and put it into the output, then 1 means insert 4. This is queue. We will insert all the element always from the end of the queue and remove element from the beginning of the queue. And then 2 means again remove an element from the beginning. So this is enough. But we have to implement it using stack. So here we are taking two stacks. We will insert into stack 1. Two. Now we have to insert 3. But at the time of pop, now we have to pop. If we will pop from this stack, so 3 will come out and we want 2 in our answer. So we will remove this element from the stack 1 and push into stack 2. We have to remove all the elements from stack 1 and push into stack 2. So this stack become empty. Now we will remove an element from stack 2. This will come in output. Now 3 is left. So we have to again push 3 into this stack, stack 1. Now we have 4. So we have to insert the element 4 in stack 1. Now again what we will do? We will remove all the elements from stack 1 and push into stack 2. So 4 will be the first one to go in the stack 2, then followed by 3. Now stack 1 is empty. Now here 2 means we have to pop the element. So from which stack we will pop the element? From stack 2. So this will giving us the output. Now see the code. First the push function. In push, in which stack we are adding the elements? In stack 1. So we will add elements in stack 1. Stack 1 dot append x. Now while popping the element, we have to check if length of stack 1 equals to 0 and length of stack 2 equals to 0, then return -1. If length of both the stacks are 0, means we don't have any element. So what we will return? We just return -1. If length of stack 2 equals 0, means we have elements in stack 1 but don't have any element in stack 2. So we will start popping the elements from stack 1 and push into stack 2 so that we can remove element from the top of stack 2. So we will check So we will is removing element from the stack 1 and append it to the stack 2, and we will do it until this stack 1 becomes empty, and then we return stack 2 top element.